Well, good afternoon or good day to whichever it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I just made a compilation. I had originally made the video when I traveled from Metrotown all the way down to New Westminster SkyTrain station, but that file was deleted again. I deleted some opposite wrong files, and so yeah. Luckily, I had at least some pictures to back up. So anyway, so I made a Reels video instead of this to add for my YouTube for a bit later. So anyways, please enjoy. And Southern Railways westbound trip that was switched up here in New Westminster, BC, Canada, and the CNR, Canadian National Railway side, and next to CPKC also too, had a lot of freight there yesterday, so that was all been picked up. Oh well, I should have took some picture while I was on the SkyTrain, but I didn't get the chance to do that, so waited and just did it in video format only.